By this way, we can do the Sri Chakropasana. Moola mantra is the Om Hrim Srim Klim Saraswati Namaha. By chanting Om Hrim Srim Klim Saraswati, Om Hrim Srim Klim Saraswati Devi Namaha. By chanting like this Om Hrim Srim Klim Saraswati Devi Namaha. By chanting like this Om Hrim Srim Klim Saraswati Devi Namaha. First chakra will come to Mooladhara. These chakras are six, and the seventh chakra is the Sahasrara chakra. 6 chakras want to fill, and the Sahasrara chakra is the all God chakras, all Devata chakras. By filling these chakras with the one God, one Devata. Her Mooladhara chakra is the Lakshmi Devi, Swadhisthana chakra is the Saraswati Devi, and the Mooladhara Swadhisthana. Manipuraka chakra, you can do any Devata name. Like this we can do for 6 chakras with the different Devata names.